I know, in particular, a lot of parents are going through a bit of a scary time right now. They're about to send their children away to summer camp, and in many cases for the first time. What are things that parents can do to help prepare their kids to be away from home?
Lisa, that's a wonderful question, and we get that question all the time. So the first thing I would recommend to the parents is they call the camp ahead of time, because they talk to the camp about whether, who is their child's advocate. If the child is having needs to go to someone, is it going to be the food service director? Is it going to be a nurse? And can they make that introduction to their child so they know that they're going to go to that nurse or the food service director? And they may want to pack the food, and many of our, families, they'll send food off to the camp, or they'll talk to the camp, in advance about making sure that they're supplying, gluten-free food. And not only do they need to supply the gluten-free food, they need to make sure that they have the proper protocols in place so they don't have that cross-contact. And that's why we have the great training program at the National Foundation for Celiac Awareness, and that stands for Gluten-Free Resource Education Awareness Training, where we train the staff. We have an online program and an in-person program, so that the staff, and many camps have gone through it, know and understand celiac disease and know how to, how to handle food properly and what protocols that they need to use to ensure that our families are safe and the kids are safe. And this week, it's just by coincidence, we have a hero every week, and our hero, her name is Jenny Tierney, and Jenny she is the hero, and she's talking about her experience in camp. And if you go to celiaccentral.org/awarenessmonth/hero2, you could read Jenny Tierney's story and her tips. And it's a great way for parents to learn about sending their kids off to camp for the first time.